Finally, kids. Hey, what are you doing?
I was trying to see if you could make it bigger.
No, you can't make it bigger. That's as big as it is. Okay, so I was trying to do a video. I reset it, and it finally worked. I was doing it over and over again. And I'm gonna play some Roblox out enable again. I'm trying it out again because it was super creepy. It was like no lights were on. Remember? And 100 people are playing it this time, so they must know how to do it. And I'm trying to get the power back on, but
JJ, that one's a timer one.
A timer?
That you have to be hell enable.
Yeah.
You have to be hell enable.
No, you don't know. There's 100 people playing, so. Okay, it's loading. You are getting baptized or something. You are getting... Okay, so this one. Wait, is everything complete? Complete. Oh.
No.
Well, that was easy.
To complete.
Can I zoom out? No. There we go. It's not off anymore. Oh, great. It's off again. Oh, there's only actually 2 people playing. At least I can actually see. Is he still in the same place he was last time? Can I pick that up? No. Can I pick this up? No, I can't. No, bear trap. See there? Hello, neighbor.
Oh, it's not.
Oh. Oh. Whoa. What's happening?
He's doing that.
Oh, great.
You can break the window.
Well, the thing is, I can... Dude. Someone in there? Uh-oh, someone's in there. Someone's in... Oh, great, I'm stuck in a bear trap, and I can knock it out. Okay, this game's too mysterious.
No, Jay, you have to reset. You have to reset.
I don't... It's my channel. Anyways. Okay, so... Today we are going to play a bit of Beast One. And the last video, I showed you some of the coolest secrets ever. Right, Cody?
Yeah.
They were amazing.
JJ, but I watched another one, and there was another secret that you need to go into 15 zones and look behind the big pumpkins.
Oh, nice. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to try out that new secret that Cody just told about. If you don't know who Cody is, this is Cody.
Hello to all of you.
He looks weird.
But I don't look weird. I have the sword on.
Oh, don't show him a rainbow. Rainbows are for girls. But they can be for the boys. For the boys. Did I just say for the boys? The boys?
Yeah.
The. I didn't say the. I said the boys.
The boys.
Oh,
You're bad the boys.
Did you see me buff?
I wanted you go to.
Whoa, 3. Yeah, that's crazy.
Oh, then make him do the splits. Make him do the split. Split.
I don't know. Here, I guess.
Oh my gosh. You're doing the split.
That might bees in him yet. See how many bees he has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you need 2 more. This running speed? Oh no, what is it? Oh yeah, that's running speed. Oh, I have running speed, Cody.
Oh, but you need the 10.
No, this running speed
Okay,
is
you
20.
can buy.
I don't need to buy. Okay, so we're gonna go into the 15 zone right now. What's I doing? Am I a gorilla whipping out my hair?
Yeah.
Ow, that It looks like my haircut.
Yeah,
I had it 15 months ago. I'm kidding. 2 months. I'm kidding. 2 weeks. Ladybug, you better not mess with me. Better not with me. Duh. Da-na-na-na.
Oh, the yellow thousand now.
Oh, so I have one. Yeah, I get that. How am I getting so much pollen? I'm just walking.
It was just a 999. And then was that
Excuse me.
1,000.
Oh, greatest Spider-Man. You will die. Because I'm the master of Beast Form, so you will die. Oh my gosh, what is he? I love the music so much, guys. Okay, Cody, so the 15 zone?
Yeah,
Is the 15 zone where the pumpkins are?
yeah. Because it's real that
Oh,
balance.
but first I have to take care of the werewolf. Ooh, yeah, 150,000. That means I need 50,000 to get the new one. Dude.
Oh, the 15 round.
Werewolf, come at me, boy. Come at me, boy. Got him, boy. Oh, great. He's fast, you're too fast for me. Die, werewolf. Got him, bro. Got him,
That's
bro.
10 times faster.
Got him, bro. Got him, bro.
It's behind that one.
That big one?
Yeah.
Got him. What is it?
It's a royal jelly.
Oh, nice. Got him, bro. Got him, bro.
But
Got
maybe
him,
it
bro.
won't be there.
Oh, look. Now, won't you look at that? There actually is a royal jelly. Fine.
They don't get it. Ta-da! J-Low's actually a trick for jelly.
No, it might not be. Ah, get out of here, recording thing. Oh, yay! Now let's go to a hive.
DJ, if you want a of those things,
And Cody, we only have 3,000 honeys, so I want to know what we're going to do right now.
what?
We're going to grab that 10 thing, that 10 speed. Going to wait for that 10 speed, that 10 running speed. Is that the 10 running speed? Wait, is that even mine? What bee is that? Is that my... Are you sure that's even my bee? Oh, I have the running speed. Let's go.
You have to 10 times faster.
Let's go. Please don't die. 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 Oh no, I lost it. Please don't die. Please don't die. Please don't die.
So close.
Please, God. Please, God. Please, God of Roblox. Don't make me die. Please, God of Roblox. Oh, great. Are those anyways?
Those white kind of. Those are things that. There's some werewolves in there. And
Yes,
some
these are
ants.
wild. Well, oh, there's werewolves and ants?
Yeah.
What? How good are ants?
They're 50 good. 15.
I take 2 weeks. Oh, 15. That's horrible. Oh, do you look at me? I'm like,
But the werewolves.
okay, so yes, we use our
werewolves are
warriors.
0 good.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, that means they can't even kill us.
The werewolves
Oh, what one
can't.
should I actually do?
I don't
I
know.
actually have a lot of these, so let's do this. Transform cool bee, yes. Make a bee imaginary. Ooh, a bumblebee? Bumblebee? What's a bumblebee do? What's used for a bumblebee?
DJ. And those are not golden. Those are not. AJ,
What?
if you go to a red cannon, it'll launch you somewhere good.
Well,
Let's see, look over there.
What was the wood cannon anyways?
Oh, there,
Oh,
there.
that wood cannon?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
for 20 bees.
Oh, you need 20 bees?
Yeah.
What?
But you have 20 bees, no mines. No mines, you need 20 bees.
No, you need 22. Wait. You need 22 bee types to fire the wood cannon.
See. Oh, that's the 110 speed. Go up to 10 speed. 10 plus speed.
Is there any other secrets?
Yeah.
What?
There's a water jelly
Well,
up there.
you can't get that for free.
No, JJ.
What?
It's a water jelly bile.
Yeah, but you need 200,000.
Well, can you buy one of those?
No.
No way. Then try to get that water jelly. It's for free. That's for free. Free.
No, but Cody, how about you watch YouTube and I'll play Bee Swarm? Okay, he's gonna watch some YouTube. Watch some secrets about Bee Swarm. Oh, great.
Yeah.
No, Cody, watch it on the real YouTube. But that's how to find the secrets.
That's why he's asking me because he knows that I don't know anymore.
Mom,
Okay.
I'm getting out of this stand. I'm trying to get out of this stand. And Mom, and in the YouTube stand, Mom, and look, and in the YouTube stand, and blam, it's a blam. It's this. This. Now this. The real YouTube. I guess I have to watch the real YouTube.
Okay, so kids, if you didn't see the last video, I already tried to do the other secret, but I'm gonna show you the other secret. Will you give me a speed up? That bumblebee, I don't even know that bumblebee.
Now I think I'm watching
Hey,
Lazy
Dad.
Cat. Did it? I'll tell you where it is. Oh, this again. Because like I have to use this one.
Bye, kid. This is the end of the video, actually. So, see you in the next one. And wait, we're actually gonna do that other secret first because I know you want to see. Okay.
That secret.
It's 100 million.
I know. He had 100 million.
That is amazing. Okay, here we are. We go in here. I'll at least tell you the path to go, but I might not get the royals.
The kid really wanted to see that one apple.
Okay. Are we having thunder? Mom, are we having thunder? I think we're having.
Oh, it's a plane.
Oh, great. Okay, I usually do it like this. Yeah, fine. So you get behind this table. can't believe that there's even secrets of bee swarms. Is it there? No, not there. But this can be like a secret hideout that you. Okay, so that's the end of the video.